Hello everyone, and welcome to the Wire Network. Today, we're going to show you how to change your login password for a D-Link router. Whether you want to increase security or just update your password, we'll walk you through each step in this simple tutorial. Let's get started. Before we dive into changing your router password, let's first find your router's IP address. This is a simple process, and we'll use Command Prompt, CMD, for that. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig and press Enter. This will display a list of your network information. Here, locate the default gateway in the results. This is your router's IP address. Type the default IP address into your web browser's address bar to access your Wi-Fi router. Next, input the default username and password to log into your router's admin panel. After logging in, go to the Advanced Settings. Next, look for an option like Login Password or Password. Next, enter your new password and confirm password. Click on Save and Apply to update the password. After saving, the router will prompt you to log in again. Use the new password to access the admin panel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech tutorials.